Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some crochet handbag designs model. A crochet handbag is a type of bag made by crocheting, which involves creating fabric using a crochet hook and yarn or thread. The process involves interlocking loops of yarn to form various patterns and designs. Crochet handbags can come in various shapes, sizes and styles, from small pouches or large tote bags. They can be simple or elaborate, often featuring intricate patterns, textures, and sometimes embellishments like beads or buttons. Crochet handbags are valued for their handmade quality, versatility, and the variety of yarn colors and textures that can be used to create unique and personalized pieces. Here are some tips for making a crochet handbag. Choose the right yarn. Opt for sturdy yarn like cotton, nylon, or a blend with a strong fiber. These materials hold their shape well and are durable for everyday use. Avoid overly stretchy yarns. Next is a smaller hook. To make a sturdy, tightly woven fabric, choose a crochet hook slightly smaller than what the yarn label suggests. This will prevent your bag from sinking or stretching out too much. Reinforce the bottom. Crochet a double layer or at the base, like chalkboard or plastic canvas, inside the bottom of the bag to keep it firm and structured. You can also crochet a sturdier stitch, like single crochet, for the bottom. Lining. Sewing in a fabric lining can prevent your bag from stretching, help it hold its shape, and keep small items from slipping through the crochet stitches. Choose a fabric that complements the yarn. Sturdy handles. Use reinforced crochet handles, beaded yarns, or even leather straps for a travel handle. Avoid flimsy straps that might stretch out over time. Closer options. Consider adding zippers, buttons, magnetic snaps, or drawstring to keep the contents of the bag secure. Add structure with stitches. Opt for dense stitches like single crochet, half double crochet, or textured stitches like the bubble or puff stitch to give the bag more structure and texture. Locking. After finishing, lock your handbag to even out the stitches and give it a professional, polished look. Wear the bag, shape it as desired, and let it dry to set the shape. Decorative elements. You can add embellishments like tassels, beads, buttons, or embroidery to make your crochet bag stand out. Just make sure they are securely attached. Practice with patterns. If you are new to crochet bag, start with simple patterns to get comfortable with shaping and structure. Then move on to more advanced designs. tips can help you craft a beautiful, long-lasting crochet handbag. Here are some additional tips for making a crochet handbag. Work it around. Seamless construction. Many crochet bags are made in the round to avoid seams. This gives a cleaner, more professional look, and it makes the bag sturdier. Start from the base and work your way up. Incorporate multiple strands of yarn for extra thickness and strength. Use 2 or more strands of yarn held together while crocheting. This will create a bulkier, more durable fabric, ideal for larger bags like totes. Experiment with stitch variations. Play with different stitch techniques, such as the Ulfi stitch, basket weave, or the camel stitch to add texture and interest to your handbag. The Spencer stitches also help reinforce the bag. Use reinforcement yarn. If your yarn is not strong enough on its own, consider pairing it with a reinforcing yarn such as nylon or polyester thread, especially in areas like the handles to prevent stretching or breaking over time. Color blocking and stripes. Incorporating different colors or color blocking techniques can create eye-catching designs. Stripes, geometric patterns, or a gradient effect can enhance the visual effect. Test handle strength. Before finishing your bag, fill it with items to test the strength of your handles and the structure of your bag. If it stressed too much, adjust by reinforcing the handles or modifying the stitch pattern. Create pockets. Crochet or sew small internal or external pockets to the bag for added functionality. This can be perfect for storing keys, phones, or small items, helping to organize the interior space. Adjust strap length depending on the style of the bag, crossbody, shoulder, or handbag. You will need to customize the strap length. Measure carefully to suit the intended use. For adjustable straps, use buckles or clubs. Consider eco-friendly materials. Recycled or upcycled materials like wood t-shirts, t-shirt yarn, or plastic bag yarn can be crocheted into eco-friendly bags. These materials are sturdy and can create interesting texture. Secure the bottom corners. If your bag has a rectangular or a square base, consider adding a few extra stitches at the corners to help maintain the shape. This also strategize areas where stresses is likely to occur. Mind the curves. Pay attention to your curves, especially if following a pattern. A bag that is too loose can lose its shape, while one that's too tight can be stiff and difficult to use. Edge finishing. Consider finishing the edge of your bag with a decorative border or edging stitch, such as curved stitch, reverse single crochet, or picot edging to give it a polished look. should complement its style. For example, a boho-style crochet bag might suit a drawstring closure, while a more structured tote would benefit from a zipper or magnetic clasp. Use stitch markers. When working in the round or on complex patterns, use stitch markers to chalk your rounds or important spaces. This helps ensure consistent stitch count and pattern accuracy. Create a custom size. Don't be afraid to modify patterns to fit your needs. You can adjust the size of the handbag by adding or reducing the number of stitches in the foundation chain or rounds, making the bag larger or smaller as needed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!